Do you forget words when you speak English? Don't worry. You are not alone. Many people have the same problem. But I have good news. Today, I will help you. I will give you 10 easy tips to remember words when you speak English. These tips will help you speak English better. Let's start. Tip 1. Think in English. Don't translate from your language to English. If you think in your language, your brain takes more time. But if you think in English, words will come faster. Example. You see the sun. Say, the sun is bright. Say simple sentences like this in your mind every day. Your brain will learn faster. Tip 2. Use easy words. If you forget a big word, don't stop speaking. Use a small, easy word. Example. Forget delicious. Say very tasty. Forget huge. Say very big. This helps you speak with more confidence. Tip 3. Speak every day. The best way to remember words is to use them. Talk to a friend, talk to yourself, or record your voice. Example. The best way to remember words is to use them. Know one to talk to. Look in the mirror. Speak for 2 minutes. Choose a topic, like, what did I do today? The more you speak, the more words you remember. Tip 4. Learn full sentences. Don't learn only one word. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Example. Don't just learn, beautiful. Learn, the sky is beautiful today. Tip 5. Use flashcards. Flashcards help you remember new words. Write the word in English on one side. Write the meaning or draw a picture on the other side. Read them every day for 5 minutes. It will help you learn fast. Tip 6. Watch and listen in English. Your brain learns faster when you hear English daily. Example. Watch videos with subtitles. Listen to podcasts or songs. When you hear the same words again and again, you will remember them. Tip 7. Repeat and use new words. When you learn a new word, say it 5 times out loud. Use it in different sentences. Example. New word exciting. Say, this movie is exciting. My day was exciting. Learning English is exciting. This helps you remember the word for a long time. Tip 8. Stay calm. If you forget a word, it's okay. Don't worry. Take a deep breath. Try to explain the word in another way. Example. Forget umbrella? Say, it is something we use when it rains. People will understand you. Speaking English is not about being perfect. Just communicate. Tip 9. Write more. Writing helps you remember words. Keep a small notebook. Write 1 sentence every day. You can write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. It helps you speak better too. Tip 10. Connect words with pictures. Your brain remembers pictures very well. Look at a thing and say the word in English. See an apple? Say apple. See a chair? Say chair. This helps your brain learn fast. These are 10 easy tips to help you remember words when you speak English. Try these tips every day. You will get better and better. Now tell me, do you forget words when you speak English? Write your answer in the comments. I will help you. Also tell me, which tip do you like the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.